Hey beautiful people, and welcome to ConnectRefugee. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to install the app, set it up and use it properly. Even if this is your first time using a smartphone app, you will be able to follow along. We will go through everything in order so you do not get lost. First, we prepare your phone. Second, we make sure you have a Gmail account. Third, we install the app. Fourth, we set it up. Fifth, I walk you through how to use every section inside the app. And finally, I show you important settings you should know. So let's begin. At first, you will need to open settings on your phone. So you scroll down and tap about phone. Then look for Android version. So in my case here, I will come here to software information, and my phone has an Android version of 16. So if yours is Android 7 or above, you are good to go actually. If not, or if it is lower than that, the app may not work properly. So, step 2, make sure you have a small amount of internet data before downloading. The app is about 13 megabytes only, so it does not require much data. Around 100 Ugandan shillings worth of data is usually enough to get this app. Also, make sure your phone has enough storage space so the app can install without issues. Step 3 is now to have a Gmail account to use the Google Play Store, because it is a must here. Without Gmail, you cannot download any app from the Play Store. If you already have Gmail, you can continue. If you do not have one, pause this video and go to YouTube, search how to create a Gmail account on Android. Follow the steps, then come back and continue. Alright, so the step 4 is now to download the app. So what we are going to do is go to the Play Store. Like, we look for the Play Store itself here, which is here. We click on it. Then at the bottom there is a search icon. We click on it here. Then at the top there is a search bar. Then we type ConnectRefugee in one word. ConnectRefugee. We search. The app is here. If you cannot see it immediately, you can also type ConnectRefugee Nakivale. Okay. Alright, so once you find the app, tap install. Wait for the download to finish. So in my case here, I will have to wait along with you until it finishes. Then we go to the following steps. By the way, it is 12.85 megabytes. So we are good to go. As it installs, let's wait. Boom. So the final step here is to tap open, and boom, just like that. Welcome to ConnectRefugee. So when you open this app for the first time, you will see a few welcome screens actually. So you can read them or tap skip at the top corner, the top right corner. You can type skip, or you can just go through and read these screens. So in my case, I will skip here. Then here you can select your theme. You can choose your theme. You can go with dark mode depending on what is easier for you to use. So in my case, I will go with the light one. Then you choose your language. The app supports English, French, Swahili, Kinyarwanda and Arabic. So for the purpose of this video, we will go with English. Then okay. Now the most important step is to set up an account, which is this screen. So we have like 4 options here: create an account, log in or sign in to continue, or sign in with Google, that's Gmail. So for us, or you can skip this step and you go directly to the dashboard. So for us, we strongly recommend creating an account, because without having one, you can use the app of course, but you will not be able to save posts or access them offline later. So to create your account, we click here. Then for my case here, I will type my username. You can type anything, but I will go with my real name, Munguzo. Then for the email, I will just go with this for this video purpose, and I will set the password, which is okay. Then I will select the zone where I live. So I live in base camp. Then I agree to the terms and services and I create an account. And just like that, boom, congratulations, you are now into the dashboard of the ConnectRefugee. So you can allow the notification so that ConnectRefugee sends you some notifications when something when something new is coming. So yeah, you are now inside the app. This is your main screen. Here you will find all important updates from the community. You will see 6 main sections at the top. First, you have this trending. This shows the most viewed and recent posts. Okay, then we have the food distribution here. Let me first put all zones so that we see well. So we have food distribution here. This one gives you schedules and locations for food collection and all the information about food distribution around Nakivale. Then we have the health care. So this one shows you medical services, clinics, and health updates. Then we have job opportunities. This is the section that will list available work and income opportunities. And also we have this one for trainings. This will be the one that shows you programs and learning opportunities you can join. But also we have the last one, which is community news and events. This shows announcements and activities around you. Okay, so you can tap any section to open and read posts. So if I click here, I will have this welcome message, which was sent 7 days ago, and it has all the description. But now here you can save these posts. If you do not want to read these for now, you can save this for offline reading. So you can click here on save, and just like that, your article is saved. So let's go back. Good. At the bottom of your screen, next to the home, we have another one called Explore. So here you will see all organizations using ConnectRefugee in Nakivale and beyond. You can open any organization to see all their posts in one place. So for example, if I click on campus here, I will see all the posts from Campus Digital Hub. Okay, but also above it, there is also a search bar whereby you can type any keywords and find information faster. For example, you can type food, you can type jobs, you can type health, or anything, or the name of the organization. For example, if you type campus and you search, you will see all the information from Campus Digital Hub. Okay, Alright, so this helps you find information without scrolling through everything. Then we have categories. These are the ones that I explained in the home screen. You can also find them here. Okay, good. So for the next one, after explore, we have the saved items. Remember, we saved something just in case we are offline. We can come to this section and find things that are offline, that are saved. For example, if you find something important inside the app, you can tap the save button that I showed you on that post. Okay, it will be stored in your saved section, so you can open it later even without internet. This is very useful when you want to keep important information. So you can easily come and start reading. You can increase the font size, you know, for those who cannot see well. You can decrease, or you can just turn on again the light mode or dark one for you to read the information properly. Okay, cool. Then we have the last one after the saved one, which is settings. Now here you will find many important options. You can change your language, you can change the theme, you can turn on or off the notification here so that ConnectRefugee does not disturb you in giving so much notifications. You can view the saved articles, all the articles that we saved for the offline reading. You can log out of your account. Maybe you give another person to use the phone, or you can delete your account. Okay, you can also find the terms and conditions if you want to read more about the app, the privacy policy, the about us, you know, and you can also rate the app. You can share this app with others. You can contact us directly. You know, here you can come and find all the information, our email address and phone number and our address where we are located. But also you can visit our website. You can go through our social media. There is LinkedIn here, there is Instagram, and there is also the emergency line for urgent situation, which is at the bottom. Now, when you tap rate this app, let me show you something. You will be taken to the Google Play Store page, which is here. Okay, you can leave us a star and a short comment. For example, after using the app and experience it, how it works, can give it a 5-star, of course. Yeah, so then I describe the experience about this app. Can simply say this is a useful app because it has helped me find opportunities around me in my language, for example. Yeah, then you post. Okay, then you can click done and go back to inside the app. So this is very important for us because it helps other people discover the app inside the Play Store and helps us improve it. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That is the full guide for today. You are now ready to use ConnectRefugee properly. Remember, you can still search about anything. You can explore the things that I did not talk here, and you also get familiar. But again, one important thing is this zone section here, this one. So for this one, once a person posts and they target one specific zone, you can simply click on that zone and see all the posts from the targeted place. Okay, for example, if you want to see what is happening in Rubondo only, you can click here, and then you start looking for things in Rubondo. As you can see, there is nothing about jobs, about trainings, about community news. It's because it is not specifically for Rubondo. But for all the zones, you can see food distribution is here, healthcare nothing, trainings something is there, and community news, because it's for all the people inside Nakivale refugee settlements. So thank you so much. Take your time while following the steps, and if this helps you, share this video with others so they can also learn how to use the app. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.